When we approach a plant, a lot of the most common maintenance issues we see and the easiest to find are going to be the worn out ductwork or low velocities, low volumes in the system. Holes in the ductwork can compromise the performance of the dust collection system. What you're going to look for is where those holes are, what the sources are, what the total volume on the system is, see if there's blanking in any of the filters. Then take it back to the collector and check to make sure that all the filters are working, that they're not leaking through the tube sheet, and then take it back even as far as the fan or the exhaust. We want to keep everything running as designed and that the volumes are where they need to, otherwise it can just further compromise the ductwork. The dust collection systems a lot of times are a project that's put in. They get a lot of attention when they get put in, and then there may be turnover of staff, there may be a long period with no maintenance, so it's not high on the radar. It's just something that sometimes just goes by the wayside. What sets IBI apart in our maintenance services is basically our knowledge of the systems. We do build our own dust collectors, we build a lot of our ductwork, we handle everything from the design through the fabrication, through the installation, and then as well the maintenance. Having a diverse staff, we have the ability to react quickly. Having our own fabrication shops in 3 different states also allows us to get anywhere in the US within a fairly short turnaround.